Randy, I remember that quote from some time ago. The people in this room know full well how I believe and what I believe about our healthcare system. That it's on its way to destruction if we're not prepared to make some fundamental changes in terms of how we deliver healthcare in this province. Without question, first of all, we need to bring in transparency and accountability. The kind of scandal that we have seen over the last couple of weeks revealed over $1 billion put out to untendered contracts of your tax dollar. And the Minister of Health refuses to resign. What a shame. Shame. And so the first thing we need to do is ensure that we have responsible and competent people heading up our healthcare system. Our healthcare system needs to be transparent, and I want to ensure that every time you leave a clinic or a hospital, that you have a receipt that shows the kind of service you received and how much OHIP was charged for it.
That's right.
It's important that people know what our healthcare system costs. It's not free, folks. And I believe that we need to partner with the private sector to deliver those MRIs and those PET scans and those various medical procedures, and yes, pay for it with your OHIP card, but my friends, let's make this an attractive place for healthcare professionals to reside and to come and to build their clinics and their diagnostic clinics. I also want to say this, with regard to doctors. We don't need any more doctors. We have 4,000 who can't practice today. And the reason is very simple, very simple. We don't have the residency positions that actually will qualify them to take their hard-earned academic achievement and training and get into practice. This is simply a decision of the Premier, the Minister of Health, and the Cabinet to say we will put more residency positions into the province of Ontario.